Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel today. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Lydia, and if you're one of my amazing returning subscribers, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a review of KAYALI Utopia Vanilla Coco. So if you guys want to learn some more about this fragrance, go ahead and stay tuned. As I mentioned, I am going to be reviewing KAYALI Utopia Vanilla Coco, and this fragrance was released on June 25th of 2021. So this is a pretty new fragrance from the KAYALI line, and this is just a very beautiful fragrance. From the packaging of what I saw, I really liked it, and it is so beautiful. The size that I purchased was the 10 milliliter, and it is a pretty nice size of perfume. So the bottle does look a little bit different from the larger sizes, like the 1.7 ounce and the 3.4 ounce. With those, the bottle, just like the rest of KAYALI's bottles, is just this beautiful, luxurious metallic color. It is the most beautiful bottle you would ever want to see. I am going to insert some pictures if I can of that bottle, just so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like. So all the rest of the sizes up from this one have that bottle. This one, since it is the 10 milliliter, it is a bit smaller, and it comes in the clear bottle, similar to the ones that you would receive if you purchased the sample set, which I have that as well. So it literally just looks like the rest of those bottles, which you really do get a nice amount for, so I'm not mad at that at all. So without further ado, let's go ahead and look at what the packaging looks like. First, I'm going to show you guys what the box looks like. So guys, that is what the box looks like up close for the 10 milliliter. You can really tell that a lot of thought went into this. There's also a miniature picture of the perfume on the back of it as well, and it's shiny and raised, so it feels like a miniature perfume bottle. So I really like that, and I think that is super creative. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you guys what the actual bottle of perfume looks like. So that is what the bottle looks like up close, and it's a very cute bottle. As you saw, you do get a nice amount of perfume for the price as well, and I was able to get this for $18 on a Black Friday sale. So I know the Black Friday sales this year were not the sales that people were knocking people out over, but when you went to the right sites, you were able to get some really good deals. So I'm very happy that I was able to get in on this bargain. So regularly this would retail for $27. So guys, let's go ahead and get on to the notes of this fragrance. So the notes in this fragrance include pear, jasmine, coconut, sandalwood, and vanilla bourbon. So just from those notes and that mixture, it sounds like this would be a very sweet and warm fragrance, perfect for the winter time. This scent type is classified as a warm floral scent, so I feel like with those notes, it really suits it well. Let's go ahead and spray this and see what it smells like. This is a very beautiful warm scent. When you first spray it, the first note that you get is the vanilla bourbon. It does have kind of like a boozy, sweet scent when you first spray it. And then after that, you really get a lot of the jasmine notes. It does smell very floral. So you really get the vanilla and the floralness of it. I'm not really getting too much of the coconut at all, and I really don't smell the pear at all. It's mainly the more gourmand scent to it, the sweetness as well as the florals that you really get. And I will admit, this does smell different on paper than it does on actual skin, because I did wear this yesterday, and as soon as I sprayed it on, it was very strong, and I was not expecting that from this. And the strongness of the fragrance literally lasted all day. As the day went on, it didn't fade out or anything. It kept that strength all day, which was very, very surprising. It was a pleasant surprise, but I literally can't remember the last fragrance I wore that had that amount of strength. So I definitely was not expecting this to be that strong. So this is definitely an all-day fragrance on me anyway. If you have a long day ahead of you and you want something that you won't have to reapply every 3 minutes, this is definitely one that I think would be a good option. And the thing that I love about KAYALI fragrances is that they are meant to be layered. So on the box of this perfume, they actually have a list of their other fragrances that this perfume would pair great with. So I really, really like that. And it's also cool that I actually have some of these fragrances that it pairs nicely with. So I cannot wait to pair this with the other ones. From the list, just a few of them that it pairs nicely with are Vanilla number 28. So that's the regular vanilla that they have, and it's supposed to pair very, very nicely with musk. So I have both of those, and I plan on wearing them together so I can see what it smells like, because their fragrances are just beautiful. And I have layered their fragrances with other perfumes that I have, but I haven't actually layered them together and just made a nice little concoction. So I'm going to do that in the future, and I really look forward to just being able to experience that and just seeing what works with what and just making kind of a unique scent. If you're somebody who likes to experiment, you can get all of these. The little sampler set, I think it retails for $95. And you get 4 of their fragrances, the main ones that you kind of need. And then if you feel like adding on to that collection, you can just purchase their other fragrances in the smaller sizes just to try them out. And I really, really like the affordability of these, because if you want to purchase the larger bottles, you can. And if you just want to try it for the first time, I mean, these retail for $27, so you're really getting a nice luxury quality scent for a really, really, really good price. And they also have little roller balls where you get 2 different fragrances in one. So one end will be one fragrance and the other will be another fragrance. So I really want to try those as well. I think that they have a lot of very affordable options that you can try. I really think that with KAYALI, you have a lot of versatility, and you can really make these fragrances unique to you. So like, you really won't smell anyone else who smells like you. So I think that that is just absolutely beautiful that they did it this way. These are definitely some of my favorite fragrances, definitely my favorite perfume house, or one of my favorite perfume houses, just because of the uniqueness of them. I just absolutely love it. And if you guys have not tried any KAYALI fragrances, what are you waiting for? Definitely try them and see how you like them. And I definitely don't think you will be disappointed at all. So I will have the links to this fragrance in the description box below, and I might list a couple other ones that you guys might want to pick up as well in the description box. So definitely check that out. And also, if you guys have tried the Utopia Vanilla Coco or any other KAYALI fragrances, let me know what you guys think about them below in the comment section. I love to hear you guys' opinions. So guys, that was my review of KAYALI Utopia Vanilla Coco. I hope you guys really, really enjoyed this review, and as always, I hope to see all of you guys next time. Bye.